People called me unhealthy because even though I'm growing lots of veggies, they think I eat a lot of prepackaged ramen. What they don't understand is I am a patient man. I might get an idea for a video, and I can wait a year or 2 years to make it. So nobody knows how long it took me to save up these containers, and that's because I want to provoke thought. When you think about recycling, we think about pretty pictures like this, but not this. And if you stop putting your recycling by the curb for a couple of months, you'd be surprised how quickly it stacks up. So I usually grow just small portions like this. Other people see that and say, okay, that's cool. But when they see something like this, they say, wow, that's a lot of ramen. When they should be thinking, wow, that's a lot of stuff that didn't go to the recycling center. So I've actually been growing in my old rice cooker for a couple of years while I saved up the containers. Because seeing a few like this doesn't provoke much thought. But seeing them all together like this does. I think we all need to start looking at things a little bit different. Keep on growing.